Okay, this will be a video chart on OPMG. What an absolute monster, and besides that makes a great chart example. It looked familiar and I thought I had done it before, so I went back and looked through my records and did see that the last time I did it was right here on May 19th. So you can see from this day here, made another nice move up, came back down. The important thing was put in a higher low, went through this consolidation period here, which I'm sure wasn't the most exciting thing, but a nice little example here of a wedge pattern that formed in a bullish climate. And what made it a bullish climate was just simply this increasing 50-day simple moving average, low volume during that whole consolidation wedge pattern. And then you can see here when the price started to pick up, volume also started to pick up pace too, especially these past couple days here. So just a great chart, and makes a really good real-time example of how you want to see charts act and go through healthy consolidation periods. So like I said, got quite a few questions on it today, so I want to go over supports and then try to find some resistance levels. But I will say we're going to have to go back way deep into the history of the chart in order to find out where these previous levels are. So in terms of support levels, the first one that was established today, or I think I lied, was established yesterday, was the previous high over here, which was at 0.0565. So let me change this to green to represent a level of support. And like I said, yesterday actually when the price closed above it here is where this level turned from a resistance into a support. And then today, good example, the price back tested it right there. Bears tried to push back down through, got through intraday, but as you can see, by the time the day was over, there was a very nice bounce that happened, and the price closed all the way up here at 7 cents. So nice little back test there and hold of support. Another area of support is going to be simply this little group of highs over here, and we'll call these right at 0.048. So these are also going to be a little kind of area of resistance, and the reason, or excuse me, support. And the reason I just say kind of little is depending on what your strategy is, these levels are important. But if you're in this for the overall play, then the key level that you're going to want to keep your eye on is simply down here, this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. And as long as the price can hold up above here, then the whole trend will remain up. So that definitely depends on your strategy. If you're a day trader, then you could care less about the 50-day down here. But if you're a longer term swing trader or playing this for the overall kind of chart, this is the moving average right there that you're going to want to keep your eye on. Now to find some support or resistances, we're going to have to go to the weekly chart here and just do some more scrunching. So here we are here, and like I said, got to go way back into the previous history. But the next level of resistance looks to be right around here, which is at 0.087. If we go back through the history of the chart, you can see acted as support a couple more times. When the price did break above it here, acted as support again. But then when the price fell below, you can see what happened. The price went right back down. So 0.087, and like I said, this is taken from 09 level, so that just shows how strong this chart's been. But 0.087 from the technical perspective is going to be the next key level of resistance that you're going to want to see some closes get above. And then after that, we're not talking to any levels of resistance until well up over 10 cents. So one step at a time. But as you can see here, very nice weekly chart that's even been forming here. And actually, the longer term moving average here, the 50-week simple moving average, has now flattened out. And in a few more weeks, we'll also start to hopefully curl upwards. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was OPMG. Thanks for listening.